He is a dinosaur from our imagination. And then he saw his what we call a dinosaur sensation. And then he saw his what we call a dinosaur sensation. Delicious Michael and the baby then you'll see little Tina dance along with her big sister Lucy. Hurricanes and Barney's falling out of lots of chicken. The Barbara's never seen him cause she doesn't know her secret. Barney comes to play with us whenever we may need him. Barney can be your friend too if you just let me leave him.
Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner Finn Austin there, and we're gonna take a look at this singing dog. He's really cute. It's an old dog. This is the animated singing plush dog with Walker sings the Beatles when I'm 64. So this one's an old dog. And it has his little walker. It's an old man dog. He sways from side to side and plays the Beatles when I'm 64. Yep, so this one's really cute. So I don't know what this made by. Probably TL Toys, but so I think I do not have that one because it has that red hat. And in this one says, this is so hard to read. Look at what it says. It has a different sign. Yeah, so does mine. Mine says, "You old dog." So yep, so mine has this brown hat, and that one has a red hat. So this one's really cute. He also has his little... He also has his glasses on. Yep, so this one's really cute. I mean, it looks like a canine crooner. So let's take a look at more. And we're also going to take a look at those singing dogs. There's a white dog and a red dog. It looks like Clifford the Big Red Dog, but it's a girl. So this one is a boy, and the white one is a boy, and the red one is a girl. So it looks like the red one looks like Clifford the Big Red Dog. So they both sing "I Got You Babe." They look like canine crooners. I really do not have those. They're both really cute. Look, it says the white bear sings. Yeah, it made a mistake. It says bear. They're not bears, they're dogs. These two are made by Carlton Cards. The white bear sings Sonny's part moving his mouth, and the red is Cher's part moving her mouth, and her head moves back and forth in time with the music. Takes 3A batteries not included. So these two are really cute. Yep, these two made by Carlton Cards. Yep, these two are really cute. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at what kind of singing dog do they have in my cart. So, oh look, they also got this one. That's a Canine Crooner too. It's made by TL Toys, and this one's a singing brown dog. It's really cute. This one sings Do-a-diddy-diddy. Yep. Yep, so this one's really cute, and he got this. This one has his little tie, like a bow tie, like a men's tie, and that one has that white shirt that he wears. Or I'm not gonna say men's tie. Yep, so he got his little tie, and his ears look like, yeah, his ears look a little bit furry, but yeah, these ears look like poodle ears. But it's a brown dog. It's not a poodle. It has poodle ears, though, because it does not have this little ball thing on his head. And it just, oh, it has his little furry tail. Yeah, this one, yeah, this one has poodle ears. That's kind of silly. Yeah, look. Yeah, this one has poodle ears, so that's kind of silly. Yep, so this one's really cute, and let's take a look at what other singing dogs there are in my cart. Let's take a look at those again. Those two singing Valentine's dogs. Yep, so those two are holding a rose. Yep, those two are holding a rose. Yep, they're both really cute. Okay, so these are the singing dogs that I already looked. So, goodbye and have a good day.
It's a dinosaur from our imagination, and then he's always what we call a dinosaur sensation. With Michael and with Amy, then you'll soon see little Tina Turns along with her big sister Lucy. Hurricanes and Barney's brother Adam has a ticket. The mother's never seen him 'cause she doesn't know her secret. This one from our imagination, and then he's always what we call a dinosaur sensation. And then he's always what we call a dinosaur sensation. And this one from our imagination. And then he's always what we call a dinosaur sensation. Our imagination. And then he's always what we call a dinosaur sensation. With Michael and with Amy, then you'll soon see little Tina Turns along with her big sister Lucy. Hurricanes and Barney's brother Adam has a ticket. The mother's never seen him 'cause she doesn't know her secret. Barney comes to play with